everyone! Welcome back to another fun drawing lesson. Today we're going to draw an adorable cartoon boy step by step. Let's begin with the boy's face. Start by drawing his fluffy hair. Use curved, pointed lines to create a fun, messy hairstyle. Perfect! Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw two small ears on both sides. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Next, add two large round eyes to give him a cute expression. Draw small circles inside the eyes for the pupils. Now add curved eyebrows above the eyes. Perfect! Draw a tiny rounded nose. Let's give him a big smiling mouth with a little tongue inside. Awesome! Our boy already has a cheerful face. Now let's move down to the body. Draw the shoulders and continue with the sleeves. Next, sketch the collar of his jacket. Draw a short neck under the head. Now complete the stylish denim jacket. Draw the right arm resting comfortably inside the pocket. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw his left arm raised in a friendly waving pose. Add the hand with 5 open fingers. Perfect! Draw 2 chest pockets with buttons. Now let's draw the lower body. Sketch a pair of comfortable shorts. Add the side pockets on both legs. Draw the left leg first. Add a pair of socks above the shoes. Now draw the right leg. Finally, draw two cool sneakers with laces and soles. Excellent! Our cartoon boy is standing proudly. Now let's make our drawing even more exciting. These little details make the drawing look neat and professional. Add the stitching around the pockets. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Great job! Draw the stars on both sides of the jacket. Add a striped t-shirt underneath the jacket. Complete the stripes on the t-shirt. Add the small rocket patch on the sleeve. Great! The upper body looks fantastic. Add folds to the sleeves, shorts, and socks. Darken the outline to make everything stand out beautifully. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Wow! Our cute cartoon boy looks absolutely amazing. Let's color it. Make it fun! Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.